Welcome back to the Miyagi course. In our last lesson, we explored how to upgrade your business with AI and leverage it to accelerate growth. Today, we'll learn how to create a compelling vision for your business and personal life. Thinking step by step improves the quality of your prompts and helps you become the interview designer, ensuring thorough and reflective responses. Let's create a vision together. First, use a clear and structured approach. Let's think step by step. Help me create a vision for my ideal career. Ask me 4 questions, one question at a time, to help me reflect on my values, interests, skills, and aspirations. Don't ask the next question until I answer the previous one. End by creating a vision statement that can guide my future strategic decisions. Remember, having clear steps prevents overthinking and helps you take action. Let's practice intentional prompting. Think step by step. Prompt better by being intentional and specific. Ask AI how to prompt. Ask AI to ask me questions and use the answers as prompts. By becoming the interview designer and controlling the interaction, you'll get more meaningful and actionable responses. Don't ask the next question until I answer the previous one, and tell AI how to use my answers. Practice these prompts to create a strong vision that will guide your career and business decisions. More than 74% of my viewers haven't subscribed yet. If you've ever found value in my videos or been inspired by them, please hit the subscribe button. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to create even better content for you. Fair? Subscribe now, and let's keep growing together in the next video. Thank you for watching. All the prompts are listed below. Check the description for a link to subscribe to my email list and get my free guide, which is always kept up to date with the latest tips. In the next lesson, we'll learn about the power prompting model, UI do Y, a formula for creating great prompts.